Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the Realpage software. First, go to the Realpage website. Then, click on Register Today. Now, click on Register for 2025 in the top right corner. Enter your email address and click on Continue. After that, enter your first and last name, phone number, work phone, your job title, company name and department. Next, choose your country, state of province, and then type your full address including city and zip or postal code. Check the box to agree to the event's term and conditions, then click Continue. Now, choose your company's main real estate market, select your reason for attending Real World, your role in buying products or services, and how many times you've attended Real World including 2025. Click Continue, enter the name and phone number of your emergency contact. Then, choose if you have any dietary restrictions or special needs. After that, click Continue. Now, select your paid training and optional session times and click Continue. Then, answer if you plan to attend the Customer Appreciation Party by selecting Yes or No. Also, answer if you're bringing a guest aged 21 or over $100 and click Continue. Next, answer whether you're registering anyone else from your company for Real World by choosing Yes or No and click Continue. Finally, click Complete Registration, scroll down, choose your payment method, and enter your card number, expiration date, and other details to finish registering. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.